Hi guys, and welcome to The Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance. And today I'm showing you all about roast potatoes and roast veg ready for your Christmas. Now, I'm not giving you the actual recipe because I've already done these videos, but I done these videos about 2 years ago, and they're still playing and they're on all my channels, as you would have seen, but I didn't explain the end bit. So I explained how to make roast potatoes ready-made in advance. Here they are in the packet. And I've got my roast carrots in this silicone bag, but I didn't explain them what you do once they come out the freezer. So this is my 2-minute video for all you people that have been asking about it. What you want to do is you want to take a tray. I like the trays with these sort of, they've not got a flat bottom, they've got a bit of a, they're Go Cook trays, they've got a little bit of a scaly bottom. Anyway, they work really well for roasting things. You want to put your tray in the oven until it is piping hot, so just 5 minutes till the tray is really hot. Be careful taking it out. Then all you want to do is open up your bag, pour on your roast potatoes, making sure that they're all laid out so that there's plenty of room, and put them in the oven for 50 minutes frozen, okay? So this is my instructions for frozen. 50 minutes in the oven frozen. The carrots are exactly the same. Heat your tray, take it out hot, put your carrots in. They're covered in all the oil and everything that they need, and they're going to take about 40 minutes from frozen, okay? And the same with your parsnips. When you bring them out, you are going to get these delicious, if you can see these, delicious, crispy veg, roasted with all your rosemary and thyme, and they're going to be absolutely delicious. Now, the only thing that I'd say, because there's been some comments coming back and forth saying whether you defrost them or not, there is 2 different ways. That's the way if you're just doing them straight from frozen. If you have a small oven or you're feeding a lot of people and you're going to have trays and trays of these roast frozen veg in, like, you know, you've filled up maybe your oven 3 or 4 trays, then it's going to create a lot of steam, and that steam is going to make things not crisp up the same, okay? So what I would say to you is you can defrost them if you want. It'll create less steam. So if you want to, get them out the night before and you can defrost them and do them from there. If you've defrosted them, you're just doing them exactly the same, but the roast potatoes are probably only going to take about 30 minutes from defrosted, and your carrots about 20-25 minutes from defrosted. But apart from that, it is exactly the same. My last top tip is do your roast potatoes first. Get them until they're almost done, but not quite really dark, just till they've got a light colour on them. Take them out, sit them up on the edge with some silver foil, get your veg in. Okay, once your veg is done, you can put your roast potatoes back in without the foil for 5-10 minutes, and they're just going to get that last crisp and that last heat, and then you've got everything ready at the same time. Hope that helped you. Cheers!